Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're back on the beach in Rayong, Thailand, and we're going to watch this squid fishing boat being hauled out of the water. What they're bringing into the water right now is a dolly, basically a homemade cart that they put underneath the boat, and they pull the boat out with a diesel winch. Everything here is homemade, very rudimentary, but it gets the job done. Just a little smoky, not too bad. At the end of the video, you'll get to see their catch. This is a two-man crew, and they were fishing for about 14 hours, or gone for about 14 hours. I was there when they launched the boat in the nighttime, and now it's 6:30, maybe 7 o'clock in the morning, and they just got back. Here we go. Very basic, very simple, but it works. These are not very big boats, but they're very heavy. For their size, they're very heavy.
Dưới người quá. Cóจับปลาต้องมือผมบอกแล้วอย่าเหยียบไปด้วยจ้ะโอ้ยลูกอะไรมีผ่าบาดไม่ได้ไงยังโอ้ยสายตายเห็นสายตายเลย
This is not all of it, but it is, unfortunately, most of it. Mostly squid. They do catch the occasional fish as well.
เนี่ยคอนท้ายหรือว่าเนี่ย
Beautiful morning on the beach. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one. And that is the entire catch for two men all night.